Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Escape, 2005 to 2007? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2007 Ford Escape controls interior systems such as the power windows, audio unit, interior lighting, and instrument cluster. It contains low to medium amperage fuses that protect these circuits from overloads. The fuse layout is organized for easy identification and replacement. Each fuse is matched to the electrical demand of its component. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2007 Ford Escape supports vital systems like the powertrain control module, fuel pump, cooling fans, and ABS. It includes high current fuses and relays to ensure stable operation and protect against electrical faults. This fuse box is essential for distributing power to critical engine and drivetrain components. Each circuit is fused according to its specific power requirement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.